This is from Sandy, who wants to know, how's it looking for the balloons at the Macy's Day Parade? And, you know, it's not looking that good. If the winds may keep them grounded for the first time since 1971. Now, we've lowered them before, and in 1997 there was an unfortunate incident from the winds, but we have a strong wind that is going to be blowing across the tri-state area and including New York City on Thursday at 9 o'clock. Wind gust on our future track showing 43 miles per hour. If the gusts are over 34, they cancel the balloons. Now, things could change, but our future track says the wind gusts are going to stay over 35 miles per hour during the time of the parade. So we'll keep you updated on that. And if you have any questions about the weather, including timely things like that, you can email it to me at jmurgo@wtajtv.com. We do have a